Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to create email group in Gmail. So to do that, we will need to use our browsing system. So open your browser and type Google Contacts. Then log into your account and browse through your contact list and tick the boxes next to the contact you want to include in your group email. So just like this, just like that, 1, 2, 3 for example, and then create a new label for the group. To do that, here is the label icon, tap it, and if you don't have new label, then create it, but if you have, then simply add those contacts to the already existing label. But I don't have such label, so I will create it, and here I need to name it somehow and press save button, and now you see that label has been created. And if you go to your menu, here you see this label. And now when you will be composing a new email in the Gmail, simply type in the name of your label that you have just created to the to field, and Gmail will auto populate it with all the email addresses under that label. Yeah, that's basically how you can create email group in Gmail. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave your thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.